how to enable or disable show notification channel warnings on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the Ultra or Edge. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, we then swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. From here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and tap on developer options. Then we scroll down again, all the way down. And from here, tap on show notification channel warnings. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Here's a display on screen warning where an app posts a notification without a valid channel. And that's it. So you can switch it on or turn it off. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.